Richmond has more parks and open spaces than any other London borough, and over the last 5 years we've invested £3 million in them. People love our parks use them for a variety of reasons, just to sit and relax, walk their dogs, enjoy exercise, and of course the biodiversity.
Let's Go Outside and Learn is a community interest company that works to try and get people who don't normally go outside out into the lovely parks and open spaces in the borough for the benefit of their health and well-being, and also as an opportunity to meet other people who they might in the end become friends with. So we're recruiting nature buddies to help support the project, but also to befriend the people who come out with us.
Well, I'm a volunteer. I do have free time, and so I just want to help people who would normally just be at home, don't come out, don't really take advantage of the green spaces that we have here on our doorstep.
I joined the buddy scheme in May. I thoroughly enjoy walking around the parks and meeting elderly people, having a good chat with them. We go for coffee afterwards. It's an interesting thing to do, and I've made lots of new friends. Definitely more people should sign up, because I think it's very sad when you're elderly that you don't get out and meet people, and I think it's an important thing to stop loneliness.
So we do lots of different activities, and we usually start by all coming together and having a little chat, and then we go for a gentle stroll. It doesn't matter if people are physically really mobile, if they've got walkers or wheelchairs, we're quite happy with that. We usually have at least one circuit of a park, a gentle stroll, and then we play some games, or we have a picnic, or we do something that can bring us all together to talk about things and to just enjoy each other's company. And you can come anytime. You can come once or you can come all the time. We are quite happy either way. In the Richmond borough it's once a week. We also meet in Hounslow, and you can come to either one. And the timetable is on the website, and it's also on the Facebook page.
I mean, EMAG stands for the Ethnic Minorities Advocacy Group, and we look after vulnerable and isolated people from minority backgrounds, people who have just arrived in this country and have no idea what this country is all about. We support them, we help them survive, and we help them thrive. And as part of our role, we try and get them engaged with the community, because what we're all about is community cohesion and bringing people together.